Welding has been a good trade for me. I've been in the industry approximately 40 years. I've only been out of work 3 weeks in that total time, so it has been good to me. Welding is involved in a lot of different trades. Carpentry has welders for welding the pilings. The pipe hall has welders. The Boilermakers have welders. The Millwrights Union has welders. And repair and maintenance also. So there's a lot of opportunity for employment out of the welding trade. Skill sets that make someone a good fit for our program would be great hand and eye coordination. So all those gamers out there, they'll do well in this program. Being ready, willing, and able to learn at all times, coming on time, coming prepared to school, have the equipment you need, and ready to work hard when you're here. We'll give you everything we have. All you have to do is come on time and be prepared to work.
I chose this program because I was looking for something new to do. I've always had an interest in welding and in metalworking, and I thought that this was the perfect opportunity to try that out.
When you immerse yourself in something like this, even if you don't have much experience in it, you get better at it and you can see the progress, and that's something that is it's a big relief coming from the academic side.
After graduating from the Welding Techniques program, your next step would be an apprenticeship. A welding apprenticeship is 6,000 hours long. I'm a 4th generation welder, and it's been a great career for me, and I recommend it to anybody.